Alright, I am back. We have 5 severe thunderstorm warnings now. That is just lovely. This one near McRae has a hook on it. That is for sure. And it's rotating. Alright, oops. Rotating right into here. I'll go ahead and draw that out. So that's definitely rotating. I don't believe this is on the ground. I think that's contamination. But yeah, look at that thing's hook. And this is only, guys, this is only a 2% tornado risk. This might not even this might not even be in that tornado risk. Okay, it is. Well, no, guys, half of the storm's in it, half of it's not. But I mean, we'll just say it is basically. But I mean, it's barely in it. But this storm back here I've been watching does have a severe thunderstorm warning now. It just got issued near Perry, Georgia. Doesn't have a hook or anything, but I think it might try to, because y'all see that cutoff right there. There isn't any reflectivity under that, but I think it might try to come back around, but we will have to watch that, because when you have this happen, you have reflectivity on this side, but you don't have any on this side. But this will try to surge in, and this will try to surge out. And when this tries to come in, this tries to surge out, then you get that spin right into there. So that might try to rotate here in a little bit. But this storm back here near Uvalde, gonna watch this, but I think this has more of a just hail threat and damaging wind threat. Same with these. I don't see much of a tornado risk, but we will have to watch that. But this storm near McRae, I think actually has a good chance of producing a tornado here within maybe the next hour or so. And not seeing much right here. A few DBZs might have a storm trying to pop up right into there. Also gonna watch that. I'm gonna watch all 3 of these, possibly even that. But I think I need to switch radars for that. Yeah, we have that. That's going off the shore. But I think the McRae storm is really going to be the main one to watch. And this one up here, as I said, might try to hook. But this storm it's trying to get something to pop up behind it. So we will see if that goes through a merger. But these two right here, these will possibly merge here within the next hour or so. So we'll just have to see what happens there. And then we got a special weather statement back here. Just went over the Alabama-Georgia line. Not seeing much with that, but that is for 40-mile-per-hour winds and half-inch hail. And this one back here, 40-mile-per-hour winds and half-inch hail. But I think this most likely will expire, because not seeing really any strong winds. I mean, maybe 20 miles an hour at max, but I'm not seeing any storms really that would be producing any hail back there. But yeah, these storms definitely are going to be the main threat. That is for sure. Let me switch it here to CC. So not seeing much, but differential reflectivity definitely got a large area of turbulence, which definitely shows that there is definitely some rotation. And then these echo tops, let's see, these echo tops are near 48,000 feet, which is that's pretty high. That's pretty tall storm for sure. And then vertically integrated liquid, wow. Yeah, that's going pretty high as well. But oh dear, this storm for sure in front of that one definitely, I believe, is producing some hail. That is for sure right there in those purple colors. And we just got a new reflectivity scan, so we will have a new velocity scan here in just a minute. But I do want to mention the severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Oh, and there it is, this storm back here that I was saying I think could develop a hook. Well, there it is. Definitely got rotation on it, and it has that hook now. So yeah, that surge of winds is definitely working out for sure. So yeah, it's going to try to get a more developed hook and try to rotate here shortly. These storms, McRae storm, its hook actually fell apart a little bit, and it is not really rotating anymore. But I do think we still should watch it. I think we should watch that storm for sure. But this one now, this one has my interest for sure, especially because this one is on a path to possibly go up near, might go that way depending. Let me see. I'll put a track on this. How fast is this storm moving? Yeah, this storm is moving at 20 miles an hour, so I'll put a track on this. And, yeah, I'm gonna track it from where that rotation is. And it looks like this storm could be getting possibly to, Hawkinsville in 85 minutes. Dexter, let me see. I'm not sure. Goldsboro, though, is 131 minutes. Oh, there it is. Chester is 142 minutes. But yeah, this storm's just got a new severe thunderstorm warning. So we definitely need to watch this one now. And that was an upgrade for half dollar sized hail instead of quarter sized hail now. Alrighty, sorry about that, I'm back. And I do want to mention I have a traffic camera, let's see, here's Swainsboro. It's going to be near Oak Park. I have a traffic camera about right there, so I'll see if I can see anything. But this one is not a live traffic camera, but it is a picture. So its last picture was taken at 2:40 p.m., but we're not seeing anything. Alright, sorry about that. I'm back. But yeah, definitely you should watch this storm up here for sure. But I think for the meantime, I'm going to stop this here, and then I will be back on later, or if there are any storms that look concerning, or if we get a tornado warning. So with that, I'm gonna check out. Up north here near, well, to the west of Rapid City. Checking these storms, not seeing much, but those are warned for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. And then this one has quarter-sized hail, and then the one to the south has half-dollar-sized hail. But yeah, these storms definitely need to be watched, especially this one back here, I believe. And it might try to cycle. Might, because its rotation seems to be maybe, somewhere in here, which could be, just some contamination. But I do believe it's rotating, but it also could be displaced, from the reflectivity. But yeah, we should watch this storm for sure. And yeah, let's see here. Yeah, where we have that rotation, it's not really lining up. But yeah, might try to cycle and move back. But yeah, definitely watch these storms for sure. And I will be back on if anything else looks interesting or if we get a tornado warning. So yeah. So for right now, that's all I have, and I'll see y'all later today, most likely. Alright, have a good one, everybody.